how to add text and adjust duration for TikTok. Once you're on your record screen, go ahead and click that record button to record your content. Once you're done recording your content, you can let go of the button and then hit the check mark. From this screen, you'll hit the AA for adding text. As you can see, you get a full keyboard and you can add pretty much anything. There are multiple options for fonts and colors. Once you've done this, you can adjust the size and place it where you want it. To set duration, you're going to want to go ahead and click on your text and hit set duration. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a red slider to adjust where you want the text to start and finish. Use the video for preview. Once you're done, hit the bottom check mark. You can add even more text and repeat the same process. Again, use the video for preview, especially to see where your other text is placed so you don't have anything overlapping if that's not what you want. Then hit next, and you're done.